Well, welcome back to the channel, Ron. As you can see, I'm still on the old 2000 Ford Focus. I'm going to show you real quickly on how to remove the airbag. It's a relatively simple thing to do. What you want to do is you want to make sure that the battery is disconnected and make sure that the ignition switch is on so you can spin the steering wheel. And you're going to need a 5.5 millimeter socket. Once you've got that on the back of the steering wheel, you're going to set that right inside there, and it should fit right in there nice and snug. And go ahead and loosen that up. Now these are not going to come out all the way. They're going to stop inside there. There's a little ring there that keeps the bolt from falling out. So go ahead and loosen it up as much as you can. Spin the steering wheel one way or the other. And you're going to go in and do the same thing. Just like that. You should be able to just kind of pull that airbag out of there. Just like that. Now once you're in there, you've got a little clip. You gotta be real careful on that because you don't want to mess up the contacts for the new one to go into. So just go ahead and you're gonna push on a little tab and you're gonna pull on that just like that. Boom. There's the old airbag. You're going to discard that, and let's go ahead and put the new one in. Now you're going to take the new airbag, and you're just going to reverse the process. Take that clip, and very carefully, just plug that in, just like that. Line it up. Just give it a little push, and then take your ratchet. And I'm not going to use the ratchet part, I'm just going to use the extension. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of finger tight that, just so that make sure it gets started. Spin the wheel, do the same thing on this side. Now I can go ahead and just snug that down. There's that side, and there's that side. And there it is. The new bag is all installed. Now if you're wondering where the airbag module is, right here, it's down underneath the console, right in front of the emergency brake. And I've got to replace that as well. But I'm not going to show how to do that. You're just going to need to pull the console out. And you'll see right on there the airbag control module right there. Pop the new one in. Okay, that's it. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.